Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or wherever you may be. This is SAAB Cars and my name is Marcus. Today we're going to install a storage compartment in the new generation 9.5 for storing sunglasses. In some cars you have storage area for sunglasses in the center console in the roof. In some other cars you have it where you normally have the grab handle. So we're going to replace the grab handle with a storage compartment for glasses or sunglasses. It's actually a GM part, as you can see here. Comes in different colors, and this is the most suitable color for this interior, and this roof, the inner roof, is kind of beige. So this is probably the best option. It also comes in black and grey, and this is the beige. I will put the part number in the description section. So for this you need a 8mm socket and a small screwdriver to pry the plastic lids that cover the screws. So I'm going to remove the original grab handle and I'm going to install this instead. So without further ado, let's get to work. So as I said before, you need a small screwdriver and a 10mm socket. The small screwdriver is for releasing those two small plastic lids that covers the screw. So just pry a little and then the lid is loose. Then you just start removing the two screws. Then it should come off relatively easy. And now it's time to put the sunglass holder in the same position as the grab handle. It has the same screws, so still 8mm socket. And you just position it with those pins. This has a spring in it, so you need to be careful because it retracts quite heavily. Then we just close the plastic lids. And it's installed. So here you have some space for your sunglasses. They can't be that big, but the most common sizes will probably fit in there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please share, like and subscribe. It's always fun to make your car a bit more practical and useful. So stay tuned, and if you subscribe, you'll know more about keeping your Saab fresh, adding features and making it useful. See you next time, guys. Cheers.